Hey guys, welcome to a quick little video showing you how to install the CallingPost app on your iOS device. First things first, open up your web browser. Safari or Chrome will be fine, and then go to apps.callingpost.com. And once you're there, you're going to want to add your login information, your user ID, your password, and then click the login button. And now that you're logged in, click the home button at the very bottom. It's going to open up this menu. You might have to scroll down a bit, and then you'll find the add to home screen button there. And then in the top right, just confirm, click the add button, and that's all there is to it. Now you've got quick and easy access to the CallingPost app. As a side note, you'll probably have to log in again, but from here on out, it's going to store your information. But if you do have any questions, be sure and reach out to us, and we'll be happy to help.